Hello and welcome to the mathematics class. This class is for class 8 and we were doing chapter 17, that is triangles. We were doing exercise 17b. In this we have done up to question number 6. So now we are moving on to question number 8. What is the question number 8? They say determine if a triangle with the sides of the given length is a right angle. So these are the sides of a triangle given, and we have to find out whether it is a right angle or it is an obtuse angle or it is an acute angle triangle. So I will be doing question number 8, second part, fourth part and sixth part. So sixth part is 55, 48 and 73. These are the sides of the triangle given. Now one thing you remember always, that if a right angle triangle is given, let us say this is a right angle triangle A, B and C, in which angle C is 90 degree. So side opposite to angle C will be hypotenuse. I am writing it as C. Means C in this triangle is representing the hypotenuse of the triangle ABC. And let this side be of length A and let this side be of length B. So always remember, if C square, that is hypotenuse square, is equal to A square plus B square. A means this side AC and A means BC side and B means AC side. So then it is a right triangle that you have already studied. It is a right angle triangle. If C square is greater than A square plus B square, then it is obtuse angle triangle. And if C square is less than A square plus B square, then it is acute angled triangle. Now if it is acute angled, okay. So I hope this is clear. Point 1, point 2 and point 3. So we have to check whether these are right angle triangle or these are obtuse or acute triangle. So how do we determine C? We know that in a right angle triangle, the greatest side is hypotenuse. So we'll find out which is the greatest side. In the first one we can see 26 is the greatest side. So what we will say let in this first part, let C is equal to 26. So obviously the other two sides, one will become A and one will become B. So we will check whether my C square is equal to A square plus B square, or it is greater or it is smaller, whichever. Now C is 26. So 26 square we will put equal to 24 square and plus 10 square. Now we know that 26 into 26 is 676 and 24 into 24 is 576, 10 into 10 is 100. So this total comes out to be 676, and here also it is 676. It means we can say that first that this triangle, that triangle with sides 26, 24 and 10 is a right angle triangle. This was the second part. Now similarly we will check to the fourth part also. In this, what is the longest side? 13. So let C is equal to 13. So we will check whether 13 square is equal to 12.6 square plus 3.2 square or not. 13 square is 169, I think, and then it is 12.6. that will be 12.6 square will come as 158.76, 158.76, and plus 32 into 32 is 1024, so it will become 10.24. Now 7 and 6 10, 7 3 10, 0 1 carry 8 and 1 9, and 5 and 1 6, 169. 169 is equal to 169. In this also we can say that triangle with sides 13, 12.6 and 3.2 is a right angled triangle. Similarly, we can check with 55 and 48 and 73. Let's check in the last part. In sixth part, we will assume that longest side is 73. So we will say let C is equal to 73 in this particular question. Now when C is equal to 73, we know to prove a right angle triangle, we have to follow the first rule. So according to the first rule, C square is equal to A square plus B square. Here we have assumed C as 73, so we will put the value C as 73. 73 square, any other two sides can be taken as A and B. So A I am taking as 55, so 55 square and plus 48 square. Now we will check whether 73 into 73 is 5329. When you square 5329, when you square 73 into 73, you will get 5329. 55 into 55 is 3025 and 48 into 48 is 2304. Now let us add them. 5 and 4 is 9, 20 is 2, 30 is 3, 3 and 2 5. 5329 is equal to 5329. Therefore, all these three that we have taken, second part, fourth part and sixth part, all these sides are the sides of a right angle triangle. So we can say triangle with sides 73, 55 and 48 are sides of right triangle. Now this was quite easy. In some cases, in maybe some other parts, you may get the value of C square is greater than A square plus B square. If you get so, then that will be an obtuse angle triangle. And in some cases, if you get the square of C less than the sum of A square and B square, then that will be an acute angled triangle. Now we move on to the ninth question. Now in question number 9, what you can see, there is a diagram given, a triangle is given ABC, and from B there is a altitude or a perpendicular is drawn on AC which meets AC in point D. So this is 90 degree given, and the length of BD is 36 centimeters. The length of AD is 27 centimeters and length of DC is 48 centimeters. We have to find AB. AB is this. If this is 90, then this has to be 90. So ADB makes a right angled triangle. So we will talk about, since we have to find out AB, so we will consider only triangle ADB. So we will write in triangle ADB. In triangle ADB, you know that angle ADB is equal to 90 degree, and that is given. How it is given? Because on AC, this is AC, on AC a perpendicular is drawn, so this is 90 and same time this is 90, because a straight line is always equal to 180 degree. So ADB is 90 degree. Now if ADB in triangle ADB angle D is 90 degree, then the side opposite to it will be hypotenuse, and that is AB. So we can say, according to Pythagoras theorem, AB square is equal to sum of the square of other two sides, AD square plus BD square plus BD square, and reason you are going to write is Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. That's it. Now we have been given the value of AD as 27, so 27 square and plus 36 square. We will simply square and add. So 27 square is, I hope, 729, and then we will check the value of square of 36 is 1296. This becomes our AB square. AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. AD was 27 and BD was 36. So we squared them and we added them. 27 square is 729, 36 square is 1296. Now we are going to add them. This is again AB square and this is again AB square. 9 and 6, 15, 5, 9, 1, 10 and 2, 12, 2, 2, 1, 3 and 7, 3, 10, 0, 2025. We got the value as 2025. Now we will find out the, so AB, we have to find out AB. So if AB square is 2025, then AB means under root 2025, and that comes out to be 45. So 45 centimeter is the length of AB, 45 centimeter. How we got this 45? If you don't know how to make the roots, so what we do, we factorize 2025 and we'll write the factors in the pairs of 2. Suppose I am doing it here. It is 2025. So it is divisible by 3. 3 6 are 18. 3 7 are 21. 3 5 are 15. Again by 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 5s 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6 and 3 5s are 15. Again by 3. 3 7s are 21. 3 5s are 15. Again by 3. 3 25s are and 5 and 5. When we make pairs of 2, one pair of 3, one pair of 3 and one pair of 5. So 3 into 3 into 5 9s are 45. So this is how we calculate it. Root of AB is 45 centimeters. So length of AB comes out to be 45 centimeters. Then we have to find BC. Now when we are talking about BC, we can see that BC is also the hypotenuse, but in other triangle. Which triangle? If we talk about BDC, means if we say in triangle BDC, we have angle BDC is equal to 90 degree, and that is given. Why it is given? Because we know that BD is a perpendicular dropped on AC. So BC will become the hypotenuse, and according to Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to the sum of squares on other two sides. This is again according to Pythagoras theorem. This is again according to Pythagoras theorem. Now BD is how much? BD is 36. So we will write 36 square plus 48. So 48 square. So 36 square we know it is 1296 and plus 48 square is 2304. 2304. This is your BC square and again your BC square. So 9, 6 and 4, 10, 0, 9, 1, 10, 0 and 2, 1, 3 and 3, 6 and 2, 1, 3. 3600 is BC square. So BC will be under root 3600. That comes out to be 60 centimeters. Why? 3600, very simple. 3600 can be written as 36 into 100. Square root of 36 is 6. Square root of 100 is 10. So 10 6 are 60. So simple, it is 60 centimeters. So this comes out to be 60 centimeters. Now first part is done. AB we calculated. AB was 45 centimeters and BC we calculated as 60 centimeters. Now first is done. In the second part we have to prove that triangle ABC is a right angle. Now ABC, this whole triangle is a right angle. So what we will do in this, we are going to find out the longest side. Now what will be the longest side? Let's see. in this we can say in triangle ABC. We will check in triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, AB is given to you 45 centimeters, BC is given to you 60 centimeters, and AC is given to you as AD plus DC. AD is 27, DC is 48, that is 65 centimeters. Now, which is the longest side? AC. It means AC will be considered as hypotenuse. So if we know that if hypotenuse square is equal to the square of other two sides, then it is a right angle triangle. AC is how much given to us? 65. We will check whether 65 square is equal to AB is 45 square plus BC is 60 square or not. If it is equal, then it means that it is a right angle triangle. Now 65 square is 4225. 45 square is 2025. 60 square is 3600. Let us add. So 25 and 3, 5, 6 to 5. 65 into 65 is 4225. Now 4225 is not equal to 5625. Therefore, triangle ABC is not a right angle triangle. So we can say, since we can see these two are not equal, so we can say that triangle ABC is not a right angle triangle. So now we have finished off with this question. Let's see what is there in the next. Okay, there was an error, calculation error, because they say prove that triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. Here 7 and 8, 15, 5, 4, 2, 6, 1, 7. Here it should come 75. That was an error. So here it will come 75 square, and square is 75 is 5, 6 to 5. The square of 75 is 5, 6 to 5, and 5, 6 to 5 is equal to 5, 6 to 5 is equal to 5, 6 to 5. So these since the square of hypotenuse is equal to square of the sum of other two sides, so we can say that ABC is a right angle triangle. Initially I proved that it is not a right angle triangle, but later on I found that in the question already it is given that prove that, means it is. If it is given, then only we can prove it. It means this is right. So I checked my calculation. There was small error here. I made a mistake. It was it would have been 65. It would have been 75, but I wrote 65. So now these two are equal. So we can say therefore triangle ABC is a right angled triangle, and hence it is proved. So the method was, I think you have understood. Now let's move on to the next question. Question number 11. In this the question says, given that under root 3 is equal to 1.732, find the altitude of the equilateral triangle whose one side measures 6 centimeter. So I have drawn a triangle ABC. This is an equilateral triangle. Now equilateral means whose all the sides are equal, and it is given that sides are 6. So this is 6, this is 6, this whole BC will be 6. Now in equilateral, and then what we do, we draw from point A, we draw perpendicular on BC as named as AD. Let us say this is H, or this is the altitude. We have to find out the value of H. Now BD and DC, these two triangles are this D will be the midpoint of BC. Why midpoint? If you know, let's talk about congruency also. This is 90, this is 90, this side is equal, this side is equal, and right angle hypotenuse side, and this is the common side. So right angle hypotenuse side, right angle hypotenuse side, triangle congruent. So BD and DC will be equal. You just remember this much, that in an equilateral triangle, if we draw a perpendicular from the opposite vertex, it divides the opposite side into equal parts. If this total is 6, so this becomes 3 as well as this becomes 3. Now we have to find AD. We know that this is 90 degree angle D, so side opposite to 90 degree will be AB. So I can say that AB, and AB will act as hypotenuse, so I can say that AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. Now AB is 6, so 6 square, AD is equal to, we have to find out, that is H, so H square plus BD, BD is 3 square. 6 square is 36, is equal to H square plus 9. In the next step, 9 will come to this side. 36 minus 9 is equal to H square, implies that 36 minus 9 is 27. That is, H square comes out to be 27. So H will be under root 27. Now 27. Under root 27 can be written as 3 into 3 into 3. So that can be written as 3 under root 3. 3 moves inside the root, it will become 9. So 9 is 27. What we did? 27 we factorized, and we know that 27 can be written as 3 into 3 into 3. When we find the square root of 27, we will take the pair. So this is only one pair left, so 3 will come outside of the root, and then 3 will remain inside the root. So that is why 3 root 3, and that is why this value is also given. Now we will write 3 into root 3, and root 3's value is 1.732. That becomes 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 7 3s are 21, 2 3 was a 3 1 5. 5.196 centimeter, or approximately 5.2 centimeter is the length of altitude of this triangle. Now that we were supposed to find out. Now we have finished with this exercise. Now with this we have finished everything that was there in the syllabus. The other two parts are not there in the syllabus. So that is all for today. Now we wind up the class. Keep on following, keep on studying hard at home, and stay blessed. Thank you.